Hello friends, I'm BBPraveen. Today we are gonna taste Tiffany Break Mini Fun. So I have bought 2 packs and each is 0.650 Omani Reals. So now each bar contains 100 calories. Only one bar contains 100 calories. So there are 11 mini chocolate assortments in it. There are 3 different types in it. Happy, Super, Rizzo. Okay, now let's unbox this. Oh, wow. So first let's taste Tiffany Break Super. Crunchy wafer finger in soft caramel and creamy milk chocolate. Okay, let's open this. So this looks like this. Crunchy layers of wafer covered in creamy milk chocolate. This is Tiffany Break Rizzo. Crunchy wafer with caramel cereals in creamy milk chocolate. Wow. First, let's open this and check it out. Here it is. Oh wow. Look this. It looks awesome and delicious. Let's bite this and check it out. Take a bite of it. Okay, let's taste this now. Mmm. Very, very delicious. Mmm. The caramel and the chocolate wafer, the combination is very, very delicious. It's very, very tasty. Wow. Mmm. It's coated with the chocolate cream. Very nice. Mmm. So now let's taste this one. Tiffany Break Rizzo. Crunchy wafer with caramel cereals and creamy milk chocolate. Looks delicious. Let's taste it now. It tempts me to eat. Let's open it or else it will get melted. Here it is. Please have a bite. Looks so crunchy. Let's taste it now. Mmm. So crunchy. Mmm, delicious. So crunchy, and it has the caramel cereal in it. Mmm. So crunchy. Wow. Very, very delicious. Mmm. Very, very nice. And this is the last one. Tiffany Happy Break. crunchy layers of wafer covered in creamy milk chocolate. Wow, looks so delicious. It tempts me to eat it. Wow. Let's open and taste it. Look this. Have a bite. Look it. Have a bite. Let's taste it now. When I eat it, it melts in my mouth. So delicious. The wafer is coated with a chocolate cream. And it has the filling in it, the chocolate cream filling. So delicious. You must try it. Well, yeah. Look it. It's filled with a chocolate cream in it. Okay friends, bye. Signing off by BBPraveen. Very nice.